Hello, gorgeous. All right, so it's time for a grocery haul. It is Saturday, August 15th. It's my uncle's birthday. I gotta tell him happy birthday. All right, so let me see them big boy steaks so that they can see. All right, so we're gonna do a all these grocery haul. Last weekend we did not do a grocery haul at all, so this is gonna be a mixture of everything for the house as usual. Tropical punch, Minute Maid. We got a fruit punch lemonade. We got some potatoes. We got our staple, the peppercorn bacon. Take a screenshot because you know you're gonna love it. And I got some berries here for great fiber. All right, got some chips for the house, some beef hot dogs. All right, so in this bag I got a bunch of Celsius. I'm starting to love the protein clear. So this one's the sparkling beverage. You get 15 grams of protein. I think I had it in the last haul. I like the berry kind. It's so good. And then of course I got Celsius because I love my Celsius. I have a bunch of those. And then we got some queso because they are going to make some loaded potatoes. All right, so let's move on. Got some beef patties. I did go to Walmart yesterday. I got just a few little things, not a whole lot, because I knew we were going to Aldi's. I got some almond milk. I'm back on the almond because whole milk does not agree with me. And we got some pickles. I was looking for Fairlife yesterday at Walmart, so instead they didn't have it, so I got Silk, and it's still 13 grams of protein. So I got that yesterday. I got this kind. So just in case you don't have Fairlife, you get Silk. Which really I didn't need the almond milk because I had that. But oh well. I said it low because then he'll be like, you buying all that stuff? Alright, so this is what I wanted to show you guys, but I forgot because I deleted one of my Aldi's grocery hauls by mistake, which is the smash burgers. Get these from Aldi's. Take a screenshot. Yes, I'm holding it up for a reason. Now they are thin, but it's a smash burger. That's why. It is 300. Here goes. You can pull it up yourself if you want. Screenshot. Get the macros. But it is 20 grams of protein on here, but it is 300 calories for one. So yeah, I like it. It tastes good. We got some pork chops. We got a ham. Smoked sausage to switch it up from eating bacon. We got some onion rings, cheese, cubed beef, whatever, beef stew meat. All right, last bag, some more hamburgers. Probably like, oh my God, that's a lot of hamburgers. It's fine, because you can make taco, you can make shepherd's pie. Got some cherries. I mean, what is that? Tomatoes. Slim Jim. Well, Slim Sims. Ranch dressing. Big thing of cheese. Got some watermelon for that extra fiber. I got some pork, pulled pork, so I can have this on the go. Oh, I forgot to get the wraps from there. Got some raspberry. Dang it. And then I got the sugar-free kombucha. So, yep. And the rest, we went to a meat store and got a bunch of meat, like steaks and stuff like that. Oh, and some, just in case you're wondering, for seasoning, my husband loves to use this for seasoning and accent. These two here are a staple in the house when it comes down to seasoning the food. All right, so that ends this portion of today's video. He wanted me to show you guys these big boy steaks. Look at this. Got two big old steaks. Two big old steaks. Gonna put this on the grill. Alright, y'all. So it's been some days since I picked up the camera. Tamika's been a little bad girl. I don't know. The month of July, I was on top of my game. It was like, I guess because I had more freedom because I wasn't content creating. And I was doing a lot of zone 2 and strength training. I didn't really start strength training the way I wanted to strength train until I joined the gym, which was the end of July. And when it became August, I was like, okay, let me take a little chill pill. And your girl was just doing zone 1 these past 2 weeks. So today it is actually August 20th, and I just got finished working out. I did create a short. If you have not seen it, here it goes. And I was just like pacing the floor, like walking up and down. That's what I do all the time. I like to increase my NEAT because your NEAT is like the biggest thing. So I like to increase it. But my step count has been a little low. My energy has been a little low. But today I felt good. I was like, girl, get back on top of your game. You've been doing so good in staying consistent since March 28th. So what's on my lip? I've been doing good since March 28th, and the last thing I want to do is, just because it is my birthday month, that I'm just going to ruin everything. And there's nothing wrong with taking the chill pill. It's nothing wrong with just taking like a little mini break, but still keep your body moving. Like, you don't have to go hard every single day and every single week. And if you don't, that doesn't mean that you are a failure or you are slacking. Sometimes your body just needs a little break, right? So I was looking at my body and I was like, oh my gosh, my body's going through some changes. Okay, it's going through a little bit of change over here, but overall I am literally embracing it. So what I am going to have for dinner, we're having roast, some rice, and he's making potatoes, but I don't think I have any veggies. So what I have in the oven is squash. So remember when I told you that my coworker, she gave me, did I tell y'all? I was supposed to tell y'all, but last week I didn't film it because I wanted to taste and see how it was, and then if it was good and I felt like I could stick with it, then I'll film it. Well, I got it. Okay, hold on. Hour. Okay, so what we're getting ready to do is cut up this squash, and we are going to make squash spaghetti. I hope you guys can hear me. So it should be done. Oop, it's spitting out. It should be done. All right. Now, I tried to cut the squash while it was cold. It will not work. So you got to put it in the oven. Let it cook. I seen a content creator do this, and I wanted to try it out. I am not a... So what? You talking about following? We all follow somebody. You do. Then how you learn how to cook?
I got taught.
So I was taught to make spaghetti squash.
You weren't taught that you follow.
No. Maybe it's not all the way. Okay, so here it goes. Get that out. Is it done? No, it's not done yet. Let me put this back in.
That's why I know harder than nobody.
No, it's not.
You gotta take that out. You don't eat that, huh?
Nope. See, look at that.
That's what.
I said, look at that. It's like spaghetti.
Oh, you eat that?
Yeah.
Oh, you don't eat the other part. You just eat that out
Yeah.
there. But you don't eat no rice. You can put your gravy on top of that.
Nah.
Yeah.
Nah, bruh.
No, you don't need no rice. That's enough for me. I'm gonna leave a little corner for mine.
Nope.
Yeah, you put your rice on top of your gravy and potatoes on top of that.
Look at all that goodness.
I'm slapping them.
I gotta let it cool off. But you see that?
I got to slap you up there. That joke's so good, make you smack your mom. Where you at, Sid? Ah, smack her.
You gotta season it up. But yeah. I probably should have let it stay in the oven a little longer.
Oh my God.
Well, Mr. Sanford, the goods and awful